National Weather Service with the routine weekly briefing for Central North Carolina, covering the period Monday, June 15th through Sunday, June 21st. So taking a look at the key points that we have coming up, the cold front has moved through much of the area, might still be crossing a couple of our southern counties. We do have a dry forecast for today. Isolated showers can't be ruled out in the southeast Tuesday and Wednesday. However, a much better chance of showers and storms will come into the forecast late Thursday into Friday. That image on the bottom left is showing where the cold front is expected to be Friday morning. And before that cold front ends up coming through, we will have some potentially hazardous heat on Thursday. Taking a look at the accumulated precipitation forecast through the next 5 days, could just be an isolated shower around Fayetteville. That best chance has probably already happened. Again, you can see south and east of Fayetteville Tuesday and Wednesday, we have a little bit of precipitation. Could see showers as early as Thursday, but the bulk of our rainfall is expected on Friday. Those blue colors are anywhere between ½ an inch and an inch of rain that is expected. So Friday, again, will be our main chance for rain locally. There is no threat of excessive rainfall across Central North Carolina over the next 3 days. Isolated thunderstorms are possible Tuesday along the Interstate 95 corridor, but organized severe weather is not expected. I will point out on that Thursday graphic in the upper right, you can see a little bit of yellow north of our area across Virginia. As we take a look at the 8 to 14 day temperature and precipitation outlook, we are slightly favoring above normal temperatures for next week, and we are slightly favoring above normal rainfall. You can see what those normal temperatures are for the end of June, looking at upper 80s to 90 for normal highs and upper 60s to 70 for the normal lows. Taking a look at the Atlantic, we do have an area of interest that is currently over northeastern Mexico, could end up developing over the Western Gulf. The formation chance through 48 hours is 20%, and through the next 7 days is 30%. The graphical hazardous weather outlook, I always like to make sure that I explain each of the colored areas that are on here. So if we start at the bottom with fire weather, we do have a couple of areas with some gusty winds and some lower RH values today. However, those are pretty isolated across the area. Wind, we could see some stronger winds Thursday and Friday with that front that's going to be coming through. Again, the extreme heat threat is primarily on Thursday. There could be some places on Friday that still have some higher temperatures, depending on how fast that front moves in. If it slows down, our temperatures will remain a bit warmer on Friday. We do have some of our area in the excessive rainfall outlook for Friday as the front comes through. And certainly with the front itself, we will end up having a chance for lightning. Could be something on Thursday. The bulk of that chance is Friday. Could still also see some thunderstorms Saturday and Sunday. So taking a look at our weather summary, isolated showers can't be ruled out in the southeastern part of our forecast area Tuesday and Wednesday. The much better chance of showers and thunderstorms will come late Thursday into Friday. Before that, some potentially hazardous heat is likely on Thursday. And the hazards and impacts, taking a look at a marginal level 1 of 4 risk for excessive rainfall Friday. Again, if you take a look at that temperature chart on the right hand of the plot, tomorrow will probably be one of the coolest days out of the next 7, also this coming Saturday, but you do see the brighter colors showing up on Thursday for highs. You can see 100 listed at Goldsboro, you can see 99 at Raleigh, and a relatively cool 93 in Wadesboro.